These are 5 super simple things that you can do. These are rules that I live by, that as a business person, these give me so much control, it's crazy. And I am really adamant about the importance of this. So I have these 5 rules, these 5 habits. No phone in your bedroom, period. Now, why would I say that? I say that because I want you to engage in behavior that puts you in control of your thoughts and that allows you and sets you up to be the kind of person where the actions that you're taking reinforce the fact that you're in control of your life. When your phone is next to your bed, which most of us have it there, what I know is that before you get out of bed, you're going to do this in the morning. And your dreams are not on your phone. Your priorities are not on your phone. It's other people's garbage. I read a study that just came out that they quoted, I think it was in Time. Was it in Time magazine, Mandy? A couple years ago, there was a big study that said that we all spent like 6 hours a day processing email. They just released a new study, and I think it was Time magazine 2 days ago that reported it, that said we spend 6.3 hours of our working day on email. And I could spend an entire course talking about the attention economy and how everybody's vying for your attention, and everybody has your attention because of this. And one of the most important things that you could do is before you go to bed, one 5-second decision that changes everything is put the phone in the bathroom, put it in your closet, plug it in, set the alarm, turn off the alerts, leave the ringer on, tell your friends and family if they need you, call me, don't text. And then go to bed, because there was a study that just came out with Deloitte. This is sick. This is not a survey. This is actual phone data. 33% of people check email in the middle of the night. Sickening. It's sickening. This has become a habit. I think that in 10 years, we're going to look back on smartphones and technology and have the same reaction that we did with cigarettes. Like, what were we thinking marketing this thing? What? If you're the kind of person that has a lot of worries or anxiety, you will want your phone near you. The other research about this is pretty profound. They did a study, actual data on the phone. The average person, you know how you have to turn your phone on, like reawaken it? Average person does that more than 150 times a day. They did another study where they looked at how many times you actually just touch your phone. You pick it up, you swipe it, you tap it, you scroll, you do one of these things. The average person in the study, 2,617 times a day. The high kind of touch users were 5,400 times, like 5,427. We are not even aware of it. It's because all that behavior is encoded right here. And so I want to make it hard for you to have the alarm go off and do one of these in bed. Because if you start your day reading other people's emails, you've already lost control. And one of the most important things that you can protect right now is your mind space. So habit number 1, phone goes in the bathroom, in the kitchen, in the closet, plug it in, turn off the turn on the ringer so that somebody can reach you in the case of an emergency. And that's it. The other thing that's going to happen is then when the alarm goes off, this is rule number 2, no snooze. It's now in the closet and you're screwed. You got to get out of bed. Now, why do I not want you to hit the snooze alarm? The reason why is actually grounded in science. So one of the things that I discovered that I didn't know when I did all the research for the 5-second rule book is that the snooze button, when you hit it and you develop a habit of doing it, or even just you hit it once, you are engaging in a behavior that impacts your productivity for up to 4 hours. So let me explain this to you, because the science is pretty awesome. There's a term, if you want to kind of look into this more, called sleep inertia. You know those mornings when alarm goes off, when you do this, the alarm goes off, you hit the snooze, and then you get up and you feel tired. You just feel groggy. And you say to yourself, oh, I didn't get enough sleep last night. It's actually not true. What happened is by hitting the snooze alarm, you put yourself in a state of sleep inertia. What is that? Allow me to explain. So when you and I fall asleep, we sleep in cycles. And we sleep in cycles that last 75 to 90 minutes. And then we do another one, 75 to 90 minutes. And then we do another one, 75 to 90 minutes. And then about 2 hours before you are about to wake up, your body goes into a state where it's thawing out like a frozen chicken. You know what I mean? It's like kind of coming to life slowly. It's no longer in a sleep cycle. When that alarm goes off, it's typically in the thaw-out stage. But what happens is if the alarm goes off while you're in the thaw-out stage and then you hit the snooze button, what do you suppose you just restarted? A sleep cycle. How long does a sleep cycle take?
Hours.
Yeah. So then when you get up 15 minutes later, your brain is still in a sleep cycle. And in research, it takes the